You like to work with your hands. And work with your brains, too. You build with pride. You're looking to build a successful career as a skilled craftsman. So look to the Carpenters Union. There, you'll find a craft that's the perfect fit for you. As a member of the United Brotherhood of Carpenters, you'll join other men and women who are the most productive and skilled craftsmen in the construction industry. It's about getting the job right the first time. Working safe. Jobs coming in, on, or ahead of schedule. And on budget. Carpenter productivity helps our contractors stay competitive, which means we get more work. That means a better, more secure future for you and your family. To take full advantage of this opportunity, you need to know about what crafts our union has to offer. When we think of carpentry, what comes to mind? Swinging a hammer? Measuring? Cutting? Drilling? Sure. We do these jobs, but the UBC is comprised of other highly skilled crafts that are well suited to your talents and abilities. Residential carpenters build homes, apartments, and condominiums. Working in specialized crews, we build the foundation forms, frame up walls, erect the roof trusses. We do much of the flooring and finish work too. Besides working with wood, we have to be on top of the new methods and materials coming out all the time. UBC carpenters also work the big jobs: highway construction, bridges, and water projects. We build concrete forms for high-rises. Our crews place 40-ton panels for commercial buildings, sometimes 10 or 15 in a day. On some work sites, we install the roof systems spanning millions of square feet. We build with our brains, too. Union carpenters read plans and know how to work closely with the other trades. Many times, we're the ones running the work as lead carpenters, foremen, and superintendents. You can already see that our trade is more than working with wood or swinging a hammer. So what else do we have to offer? If you want a challenging outdoor job, maybe you want to be a pile driver. Pile drivers can be seen working on bridges or along the waterfront, repairing docks and building wharves. Our craft performs large-scale and deep foundation work. We make sure all the piles drive home plumb and true. A pile driver has to be ready to do anything that's needed. Climb 30 or 40 feet to fix the rig. Do rough carpentry, weld, or cut steel or iron. Some of our experienced pile drivers are certified to dive underwater to make repairs. Today, we're even experimenting with one-man submersibles to go where needed. Pile drivers have a tough job, but nobody loves it more or does it better. So far, you've seen how hard carpenters work outdoors, but you'll find a lot of action inside too. Interior systems carpenters work in a tough, competitive market. Users and tenants want to occupy their office space ASAP. When it comes to interior systems, union carpenters have to be on top of their game. We're the best in the business because we do more than hang drywall. We do layout, cut and frame the metal studs. When the walls are up, we do the taping too. Our drywall mechanics work productively with no wasted effort. Interior systems carpenters also install doors and hardware. We do all the finished carpentry in today's modern building. As a union carpenter, you'll gain a thorough understanding of special tools and materials. Precision and attention to detail will be a part of your skill set. UBC floor layers are a good example of this level of skill. We're professionals who work to the highest standard. We install hardwood flooring, carpeting, vinyl sheet stock, or tile. We work with an eye for perfection, whether it's a large installation or intricate floor designs. We have to be meticulous because exacting contractors, users, designers, and architects demand flawless work. When we finish a job, we know it's done right with no callbacks. Commercial buildings often use aesthetically pleasing surfaces and architectural forms. Lathers build the reinforced substructure for these plaster and stucco finishes. We are master craftsmen who work mostly with metal mesh and tie wire. Lathers use a variety of hand and portable power tools. A lot of our work is on scaffolding. Some projects demand that we cover the sides of large, multi-story buildings. Our trade also requires working with curves and freeform shapes. Sometimes we provide the framework for ornate walls and ceilings. The results can be spectacular. In talking about impressive, high-end work, how would you like to be a carpenter making the millwork going into the finest commercial and residential buildings? That's the work of UBC mill cabinet craftsmen. We shape and craft all manner of specialty woodwork. A mill cab professional works with solid wood, laminates, and other materials. We use time-honored tools as well as computer-controlled machines to turn out top-quality products. Mill cab is a great choice if you like precise, detailed work. UBC millwrights are also well acquainted with precision.
Now this is C, 10-inch, 16 thousandths.
Our work involves tolerances within 1,000th of an inch. Millwrights work in North America's biggest industries. Our job is to install and align heavy machinery, like motors, conveyors, pumps, compressors, and giant turbines. When a plant has an outage or shutdown, we're in there to make the repairs efficiently and get operations up and running. Delays can cost the manufacturer millions of dollars in lost output. Communities need lights and power restored as soon as possible. Millwrights use mechanical and high-precision tools. We do layout, rigging, erecting, and fabrication too. We're experts with a torch and even make parts when we need to.
Zero.
Often our tools are pencil and paper. Union millwrights have to know their math to calculate alignments or determine how well a mechanical system is operating. How you gain your carpenter skills is through UBC training,
If you're not putting a rigid
the best in the industry. Your local training center is committed to help you reach your goals as a carpenter. Once you finish your 4-year apprenticeship and become a journeyman, your training doesn't stop there. Our union continually offers certifications and journeyman upgrades so you can advance in your chosen craft and stay on top of our changing industry.
So you put the mat.
Some of you will go on to become lead carpenters and foremen. Your local training center has special courses designed to help you step up to these new responsibilities. The International Training Center in Las Vegas demonstrates the UBC's commitment to advancing its members' skills. Here, the UBC generates new programs, trains instructors for our 250 local training centers, and delivers the most comprehensive training in the industry. Working with our union contractors, we've developed a Superintendent Career Training Program that prepares talented individuals to oversee and manage productive work sites. As a union carpenter, you have challenging crafts to choose from and the training to go with it. You're in a tough, competitive industry, so it's up to your efforts on the job to determine your success and ours. The United Brotherhood of Carpenters.